Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to sit down and share the top 5 products that I will always continue to purchase. These products are just like my all-time favorite. I grab for them every chance that I get when I'm not needing to try other makeup. Products are seriously hands down my favorite products. All right, so the first product is a foundation that I have used on my channel since the beginning of my channel. I literally have 2 backups. Favorite foundation ever. It is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. Guys, if you have not seen me use this on my channel before, I love this foundation. I literally use it every chance I get. It comes in a really pretty glass bottle. It has a doe foot applicator, which I don't know if I'm the hugest fan of, honestly, but it works. And you know, especially if you're trying to get out the door, you can just quickly slap it on and blend it out. The way that this looks on my skin, it is definitely buildable. So if I want lighter coverage one day and then if I want fuller coverage the other day, you know, I definitely have the best of both worlds with this foundation. This is just the best foundation ever. I found that it works on so many skin types, and it literally, I can't stop using it. I just feel the most prettiest when I'm wearing this foundation. So if you're looking for a really good affordable option that gonna work for all skin types and you know it's bulletproof, this is a good foundation to go for. Guys, I can't stop telling you about this foundation, and I won't stop telling you about this foundation. It is literally my most favorite foundation. All right, the next product is mascara, and I have gone through at least 5 bottles of this mascara, and I continue to purchase it. I buy other mascaras and they just don't compare to this mascara. I bought high end and it still just does not compare to the way this mascara looks on my eyelashes. It is the L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. I love this mascara. It looks like I'm wearing falsies every time I put this mascara on, and I'm amazed every single time I put it on. I go and try other mascaras and I'm like, oh, it's okay, it's good. And then I try this one and I'm like, hands down, still my absolute favorite. I'm currently losing my eyelashes at the moment, so they don't look as great, but I love this mascara and I will continue to purchase this till I can no longer purchase it again, because I always go back to this mascara. I've tried so many other mascaras and this is just the best mascara I've ever tried, and it's drugstore, so that's a plus. The next thing is a eye corrector. I'll tell you, I have searched for a really good eye corrector for a while now, and I found this one and I really do like it, and I just will never go back to just using regular concealer now. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, I will always go in with under eye corrector because it just helps to brighten up my face a little bit and just looks really good. Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, and a little bit goes a long way. So this little pot, even though it's a little bit more expensive because it's high end, I feel like it's gonna last me a long time, and I'm definitely getting my money's worth with it. So I will continue to buy a under eye corrector, probably the Becca one, just because I found that it works really well for me. All right, the next thing is a brow product, and this is from Benefit. This is the Give Me Brow. This is a brow volumizing gel. I love this product, especially when I want a quick like brow day. I just want to slap something on just to give my eyebrows a little bit more color and fill them in a little bit more. I love this product. I literally have 2 backups of this. I will never stop repurchasing this product. I've tried other products similar to this, but I don't know, I just like this product so much better than all the other ones I've tried, and I will continue to repurchase this. Obviously I have 2 backups ready to go when I'm out with this one. Literally my favorite brow product ever. All right, the last product I wanted to mention is a beauty sponge. Now this in particular is a beauty blender. We'll always continue to purchase beauty sponges. I just feel like they're really quick and easy to use, and they're so effective. I have so many different kinds of beauty sponges, and like I will always continue to repurchase sponges because they do go bad after a while. Alright guys, that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. These products are literally hands down my most favorite makeup products. I just can always rely on them no matter what the situation is, no matter how my skin is acting. I can always count on these products to do the job and make me feel beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I post new videos, which is Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.